Hey, you're the new guy, right? It's really cool that you just wanted to do this out of nowhere. Honestly, you know your guards, right? Yeah, walking out on this. You are aware about the guitar system that they see you as a bare endoskeleton, right? Now, because there's a rule in their system that endoskeletons around the face will really customer satisfaction, they'll try to stuff you inside an empty suit. But don't worry, the place is really small and they should be really easy to track. You may notice those two dark halls and those two bright buttons. Yeah, when you see one of the animatronics trying to get into your office, press the orange button in order to try to get in as fast as possible. This will trigger an electric shock that will fry their circuits, causing them to do a system restart or something. If you're worried that they'll just be more eager to get inside your office, then don't press the button. They'll just get inside also, these electric shocks take a really long time to cool down for some reason. So in the event that you're rolling around in your camera, you just zap them right there. But the shock that you make in the camera aren't that strong as they are in your doors. These shocks will just stop them for about a while, but they'll come back eventually. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll see some pipes. These pipes will frequently leak, and you can't trigger shock in the cameras. It's a safety procedure that the security system does. I think it's because it may trigger a chain reaction and will cause the shock to reach you. Now, it's not that bad at all. Clear leaking pipe to fix it that way. I think you got this under control. Just remember to watch the camera from time to time. You should be safe. Alright, talk to you later, man.
dum dum.